Just the 3-hour drive out onto the eastern plains can be a movable, murky one. High wind alerts along I-70 and I-76 for that matter, still not enough of a deterrent for all big rig drivers. The fire itself about 13 miles southeast of Burlington. Burlington firefighters, fresh from finishing the fight, say the fire scorched between 60 and 100 acres, winds adding to the challenge. Mike Whitmore.
Sometimes they say the weather really blows out here, but today it just sucked.
Owns part of the farming land.
Our neighbor come over and said, boy, there's something going on over there. It's more than just dirt. And we stepped out around the Quonset and we could see smoke all in the air. And my son and I drove down here. We saw that tractor on fire.
Thankfully, no injuries. Word out here, as you might imagine, near the Kansas border, travels fast.
You'll sign that one for me.
Especially at popular places like Handy's in Stratton.
Cash or card?
Where owner Haley Nodder says the last 2 days have been doozies.
Super windy, kind of miserable to be outside. Little sand blowing here and there, little pellets of ice last night.
Hopeful the wind will take a hike.
And they were just asking for prayers that moisture come, or just to give the firemen and women the ability to fight the fire safely.
Thankfully, nobody was hurt.